To the officials, the teachers and the coaches, and the elders, men and women, boys and girls, members of our swimming team who are about to depart our shores for Adelaide. First of all, on behalf of government, the Prime Minister, and the rest of the nation, all of us Fijians, I'd just like to express my humble gratitude and thanks for the traditional ceremony of I-Tatau, which has just been completed. I'd like to comment and thank you as youngsters, for the way in which you want to maintain our tradition and to seek the blessings of the land, government, and the church. May God go with you. May He bless the team. May you be triumphant. Bring back as many gold medals as you can. You go with our best wishes and our prayers. By all means, try your best. I have no doubt that you will do that. We look forward to seeing you all when you come back. Have a safe trip. Enjoy yourselves whilst down there. But my advice is listen to the coaches and the teachers who will be with you. As I sit here and look at you, you are the future of this land, of our nation. You, the young people, the youth of today. You have a long way to go. Look after one another. Try your best. I have no doubt you will do exactly that. Have a safe trip. Have an enjoyable one. And we look forward to seeing you when you come back. And may God continue to bless each and every one of you and elders. And may God bless this nation of ours, all Fijians. Those of us who will be staying behind will be following your progress with great interest. And as I said, our good wishes and our prayers go with you. And God bless you all. Have a successful trip, and we'll see you when you come back. Nawale. Thank you. God bless you. Come now. Good to see you. Have a good day. What's your name? God bless you. Safety. Safety. Wish you well. Come back. Okay. Congratulations. Have a safe trip. Come now. Have a safe trip. Wish you well. Bless you. Now I don't know.